What up, what up? It's Joss, and I'm packing to move to West Africa, specifically Equatorial Guinea. So I'm going for 5 months, and it's kind of one of those things where you're like, how much do I really pack, you know? And I've seen these different online lists, like perfect packing lists for expats for 6 months plus. So I go and I look, and it's like, you should bring 2 shirts, 1 pair of pants, a poncho, and some mosquito repellent. And that's just not my style. Like, I have to be comfortable. So let's just take a walkthrough of what I'm actually bringing, and we'll see when I get there if I like overdid it or what. But let's just take a look. So I'm gonna be checking 2 bags. One is gonna be mainly clothes, and the other one is like medication, technology, all that stuff. So let's start here. So I have my pants. I have 2 pairs of pajama pants. I have 2 skirts, 2 work pants. That'll be good for the classroom. 2 exercise pants and 1 pair of jeans. And I have 2 pairs of lounge shorts. And here I have underwear, bras. I'm bringing like 3 or 4 bras. No, 3 bras and 2 sports bras, and then a bunch of underwear. I have a couple of work shirts, like just shirts that'll be good for the classroom, some casual t-shirts, and a couple of like long, like summer type dresses for the weekends. Be comfortable, but it's not too many shirts actually. Like, I'm hoping I'll be able to just buy more stuff out there. And here is just all my socks. I'm bringing 15 pairs of socks. A lot of the lists online said you should bring about 15, enough for 2 weeks till you make sure you get to laundry. 2 bikinis and 1 one-piece for the swimming aspect. I have a tapestry for decoration, or if it needs to act as a curtain. I'm bringing my own 2 pillowcases. One is satin. I'm bringing my favorite mug. It's in here. It has a J on it from my friend Amy. I had to bring a little turn up with me, so we'll just see if that's needed or if they have plenty of options out there, but I wanted to come prepared. As far as shoes, I have some rain boots because Equatorial Guinea is actually right on the equator, as the name states, and it's very rainy, and it's kind of like Barbados. Like, my dad's family's from Barbados, so I'm kind of used to like random rainstorms. So those will work. It might be a little warm, but I found them for a really good price, so I'm just gonna use those. I have a laundry bag, backpack for walking around, grocery shopping, whatever. Vans, flip-flops, yoga mat style flip-flops, black flats, and then underneath all of that are some black heels, black boot heels. I have an olive green blazer, a couple of cardigans to like just cover up in the classroom. This is the fun bag. Gosh, I'm not going to dig into the whole thing, but I have 3 bags of medicine, like NyQuil, DayQuil, gauze. Like, I mean, my mom's a doctor. I just can't help it. Like, we got cranberry pills, we got melatonin, we got all types of stuff. So I really wanted to go out there and be prepared. I have 2 little first aid kits. This is a fun one. This is for the kids. I have some stickers, some water guns if we have free time, water balloons, some little pins, safety scissors, highlighters, pens. I'm actually bringing my own electric tea kettle so I could make tea or instant oatmeal or whatever in my room. Got a few books. I have a Spanish book. Equatorial Guinea is a Spanish-speaking country. And I also have Becoming by Michelle Obama and Eloquent Rage. So I'll be reading those during my time abroad. My carry-on, I have my duffel bag and my backpack. So in my duffel bag, I have my camera, my trusty Canon Rebel. I have electrolyte water, my toiletries, makeup, all my electronics, converters, chargers, portable chargers. I have a filtering water bottle that I got on Amazon. So if I ever am not sure of the water, I can use this, and this should filter out hopefully all bacteria. Got my dream catcher, okay? No nightmares over here. And then we have, shout out to Haley, some mosquito repellent, plant-based mosquito repellent wipes. So that'll be really handy if I can't get to my spray, which my bug spray is in my checked bag. In my backpack, we have my laptop charger. I have my agenda planner and my travel blanket. I get really cold in planes, so travel blanket. And then I have a book I'm reading, your black friend. In deep down, we have baby wipes, trusty eye mask, perfect for sleeping on planes. More wipes, more melatonin. We're really trying to get some good sleep. Deodorant. And yeah, that's about that. So that's all I'm really taking with me to Africa. To me, it seems light. So that's that.